1.2 Warm up with Tara and friends. Hi Bittu. Hi Paddy. Hi Cuckoo. I'm so excited about starting studies again. Oh no, holidays are over. More play on the school ground. Hi Tara. I'm excited too. I will see my friends. Be quick. Practice reading the words aloud correctly in 15 seconds. The, a, it, he, this, be, in, for, as, but, to, that, not, you, his, of, have, on, do, by, and, I, with, at, from. Asking a friend for his postal address. A. Do you know I have changed my residence? B. Is it so? Then please give your new postal address. A. Sure. Here it is. Inviting a friend to your birthday party. A. My birthday falls on Sunday. B. Aren't you going to celebrate it? A. Yes, sure. Do come to attend my birthday party. It's in the evening at 7 p.m. Bridal, magic, these are adjectives. Quickly, slowly, badly, well, these are adverbs. In, at, prepositions. Intersection, hark. Or, and, conjunctions. Field, fountain, street, town, these are nouns. He, she, these are pronouns. Write, read, jump, run, these are verbs.